One day I decided to put it online, and I sold my first brisket on a random weekend in a parking lot, like a drug deal. So I knew I had something going on there, and I just kept on growing the business. So my name is Winnie Yee. I'd like to call myself the pit madam of Smoke Queen Barbecue. I like to look at barbecue as a cooking technique, not just a cuisine. It's low and slow cooking, and so is a traditional Chinese braise. So Mapo Chili is basically a ground beef or pork simmered stew. We take onions and we caramelize it. We add the Lee Kum Kee spicy bean paste. We add Lee Kum Kee premium soy sauce. We actually add Lee Kum Kee minced ginger and also Lee Kum Kee sesame oil. And we just simmer it. And we simmer all the ingredients until they're harmonious. And you get something that's just so good on just plain rice or even on mac and cheese. I love eating mapo tofu as a kid, you know. That's the oomph of umami there that a lot of people can't place where that flavor is from, but they know they like it. That is the goal of my menu here.